My name is Janice, and in September 2013, I'll be going into grade 12, and I currently attend Jan Burnett Secondary School, and I also go to Richmond Chinese Alliance Church. AFC, I actually learned about it through TMC, and how I learned about TMC was actually from my mom, because at AFC they have a lot of banners that they post out, and that was really captivating to my mom. So she saw those and she told me about TMC, and that's how I ended up at TMC. For me, TMC is actually kind of like a family, because at the beginning you didn't really know anyone when you got in there, and they're all strangers. But then slowly, as you got to know them even more, you got closer to the people, and they were really you just somehow bonded with those people, and they really became part of my family. I learned a lot of technical skills, even things like psychological and emotional skills. So things like making a eye-catching PowerPoint, or how to speak confidently in front of big groups. These things you would do at school as well, so that really helped me develop as a person. Yeah, even with all the skills that I've learned, the coaches really were there to help me develop, because then they were kind of like the eyes around me. They saw things that I couldn't see myself, so then they were able to tell me some skills that I was unable to see, so that really helped me develop as a person as well. I remember one of the coaches told me that I like to work individually, and which that I was actually unaware of. But then when I realized that, I was able to see that, oh, I actually do like to be more separated from the group. So then through that, I tried to be more active in the group, try to work with partners more, and I find that now, even when I'm working at school or with like other people, that has really changed the way I work with other people. One thing that I still remember today is, well, for TMC, the purpose of it is that, well, a group of students come together and they make a project, right? And during the process of this project, we get 2 critique sessions. And there was one critique section where we actually failed miserably because we were really ill-prepared, we weren't serious. But then, as we continued to work on our skills and from the encouragement of the coaches, for the second critique section, we actually did a lot better. And I also remember one of the judges, she saw potential in me and the way I presented and the possible leadership skills that I have. And so that really boosted my confidence, and also helped me realize things that I could do and things that I'm actually capable of doing. Like I said earlier, one of the judges told me how I had potential to be a leader, and that was a big eye-opener, because then being told that you could be a leader, you could be a lot of things, right? And at school I find that after Maggie told me that I have the potential to be a leader, that I speak up more in groups, and when we're working in like group projects, I'm not afraid to like stand up for things, or like say, oh, hey guys, maybe we should do this instead. And also for career path, I think that has a really big influence on me, because then being able to be a leader, that means you are good with controlling, or not controlling people, but just looking over a big group. So that told me that, oh, maybe I could be a teacher, or just other things that relate to working with big groups. So that really helped change my perspective in different things. So overall, TMC has really taught me a lot of different skills, whether it's technical skills, psychological, emotional. Those have really helped me along the way. And thinking back, like even at school, those skills really helped me, because then at school, at like class discussions or even group projects, I'm not as afraid to stand up, or even to say, hey guys, maybe we should do something else. Like I'm not as shy as a person. And also, thinking about it, TMC has also changed my perspective of careers that I can go into, just different paths that I can take. Like for example, after one of the judges told me how you have the potential to be a leader, I find that, wow, maybe I really could be a teacher, or just other professions that relate to like leadership. So I think overall TMC has really taught me just things that I could do as a person, and just different things that I am capable of.